You're going to pretend that you are NASA scientists and you just came in from a wonderful weekend. You had an awesome weekend. But when you got there Monday morning, they gave you these sort cards with information that the space probes have sent back to Earth. And your job is to analyze the data and to come up with a general trend about what the data is explaining to us. You're working today in part sort activity. You're going to speak actively about the assignment only, one person speaking at a time. You're going to refer to sources for evidence, like your sort cards, or if your partner is saying something and you want them to clarify, ask them a question. Could you repeat that? Could you explain what you're saying? I don't understand what you're doing. Feel free to ask questions. Explain or justify your answer. No one is just going to say, I know what the answer is and write it down. No. You're going to explain to your partner why you think that is the correct answer. You're also going to come to a consensus where both partners agree that that is the correct answer. Are there any questions about the directions for this activity? And bold print will tell you how to arrange the cards, and it'll ask you questions. You have to look at the data in order to answer the question. As you are working, I'm going to be circling the class and I'll be listening to your conversations. Because only way you can come to consensus is you must talk about it and you must agree. Okay? If there are no questions, you can go ahead and begin. What I should see is card sorting, and what I should hear is conversation.
Okay, now arrange the cards according to the average distance from the sun. What is the distance?
I already answered that one.
So
I put if the planet's smaller, it has less mass. If the planet's bigger, it has
this will
more
go
mass.
down here. This will go down here. This should go down here.
When you come to relationship questions, like in general, how does the mass compare to the diameter? Think about in science, we answer relationship questions according to something that's greater than, or is it less than, is it equal to?
List the planets in order.
That's how we answer relationship questions in science. What's the general trend? Is it that when you increase the diameter, does the mass increase?
Earth.
When you increase the diameter, does the mass decrease? Think of those relationship terms that we learn to use in science.
Average distance from sun.